everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to change emo default ringtone in this tutorial. Let's get started. Start by opening emo on your device. Tap on your profile at the top left. Go to Settings. Tap on Notifications. Go to Calls under Communication. Tap on Ringtone. If you have an audio that you like and have it downloaded, then tap on Use Video Sound. Then select the video that you like. Or tap on Use Phone Ringtones. Then select the one you like. To select, simply tap on it. Just like so. Then go back. And that is how to change emo default ringtone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.